So you want to become a millionaire in the next crypto bull run, or maybe you're just looking forward to the future of money. Either way, you're probably going to want to stick around for the rest of this video. Welcome to the future, where finance is no longer just numbers on a screen. Today we are embarking on a groundbreaking journey into Web3, a digital revolution that's reshaping the very fabric of finance. Now, before we jump into the future, let's start at the beginning. What the fuck is Web3?
What the f?
Web3 is the next evolutionary step of the internet. It's basically like saying Internet 3.0, but no one does that, so don't do it. Imagine it as a decentralized and user-centric internet where you have more control over your data, assets, and identity. It's fundamentally different from the traditional internet that we know and use right now. Web3 operates on blockchain technology, creating trust through decentralization. And it's not just about crypto. It's about changing how we interact with the digital world, a world where the power shifts back to the users. Now, this change is driven by concepts like decentralized finance, NFTs, and smart contracts. These are integral parts of Web3, and we're going to explore them in more detail as we go through this video. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is one of the most exciting aspects of Web3. DeFi represents a shift from traditional finance systems to decentralized networks. It's a financial revolution that's open to everyone, everywhere. Think of it as banking, lending, and trading, but without the need of an intermediary. The benefits of DeFi are astonishing. Accessibility and inclusivity are at the forefront. With DeFi, anyone with an internet connection can access financial services. No need for a traditional bank account anymore. All you need is a crypto wallet. In DeFi, you have the power to be your own bank. You can lend your crypto, earn high yields, or you can access loans without the bureaucratic hurdles that come with traditional banks. But like any financial ecosystem, DeFi carries its own set of risks. You need to be cautious as there are scams and smart contract vulnerabilities that can lead you to getting wrecked or losing all your assets. It's a vibrant ecosystem with platforms and projects redefining the future of finance. Some notable DeFi platforms making waves include Aave, Compound, and Uniswap. Now, each of these offering unique financial services. Aave, for instance, allows you to earn interest on your crypto deposits. Compound enables you to borrow and lend assets. And Uniswap is a decentralized exchange for swapping crypto. Now, these platforms are not just changing the way we manage our finances, they're challenging traditional banking systems. It's a fantastic journey, and I encourage you guys to explore these platforms in more depth on your own. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are reshaping the way that we understand ownership in the digital world. NFTs represent ownership in the digital space like never before. Each token is unique and, thanks to blockchain technology, certifiably scarce. This is digital ownership in its purest form. Now, let's clarify something. There is a small distinction between digital collectibles and NFTs. Digital collectibles are unique or limited edition copies of a virtual item like art or video clips. NFTs, on the other hand, well, these non-fungible tokens are built on blockchain technology that ensure ownership and authenticity. Take the art world, for example. Renowned artists like Beeple have been selling their artwork as NFTs, and collectors have been scrambling to own a piece of this digital history. Beeple's Everydays, the first 5,000 days, sold at Christie's for an amazing $69 million. Now, this is a true testament to the value of digital ownership. But it's not just art. We have NFTs for collectibles like the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Collectors trade these digital collectibles for thousands of dollars. It's like collecting the most rare baseball card, but just in a digital version. In finance, NFTs are creating innovative opportunities. For instance, they can represent ownership in real-world assets like real estate, and they can transform the way we think about investing. Real estate is a prime example. NFTs are being used to represent ownership in physical properties, breaking down the barriers of traditional property investment. Imagine fractional ownership through NFTs, making it accessible to a broader audience. You can now own a piece of that beachfront villa or a condo in your favorite city. The innovative approach has the potential to democratize real estate investment and make it more inclusive. Now, we're going to go much more in depth on this amazing new potential for generating income, but we will get with a subject matter expert very soon. Let me ask you a question. What is the potential that you see for NFTs in the world of finance outside of real estate? Drop your comments down below. Smart contracts are the cornerstone of Web3 finance. These self-executing contracts with predefined rules are redefining how we handle transactions. Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana rank among the top smart contract blockchains in the industry. They work by automating transactions and agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This means transactions occur faster, more transparently, and without the need for middlemen. Basically, your account payables and receivables department are going to be streamlined like never before. Yet, the application of smart contracts goes far beyond financial transactions. Industries across the board are benefiting from this innovation of smart contracts. The finance sector stands at the forefront of this transformation, revamping traditional processes. Now, think about the traditional ways of purchasing a home or securing a loan. With smart contract, these procedures are becoming more secure, efficient, and transparent. Now, this transformation isn't just improving customer experiences, it is revolutionizing the entire financial industry. When doing your research, there are various smart contract platforms to consider. These platforms are shaping the future of how we handle transactions. The world of Web3 finance hinges on smart contracts, guys. They are redefining the financial landscape, making transactions, again, more secure and efficient. This is the future of finance. In the Web3 era, it's about trust, efficiency, and boundless possibilities. How do you envision smart contracts to continue to transform the financial industry and beyond? Share your ideas, comments, and insights down below. Web3 finance security is a top priority. There are several unique challenges we need to be aware of and to navigate this space effectively. And now that we've explored the fascinating possibilities of Web3, it's time to shine a light on some of the challenges and risks associated with this new frontier. First and foremost, we have smart contract vulnerabilities. As mentioned, smart contracts are the backbone of many Web3 applications, but like any software, they can have bugs and vulnerabilities. And when these vulnerabilities are exploited, it can lead to unexpected outcomes or even financial loss. Then there's the issue of dApp security. Decentralized applications form a significant part of the Web3 ecosystem. Vulnerabilities in these dApps can be exploited, potentially resulting in the loss of assets or sensitive data. Managing your private key is one of the most important things you can do. It is your key to accessing your digital assets. Lose it, you're locked out. But if it's compromised, an attacker can access your assets also. Not your keys, not your cheese, and that includes your NFTs. Now, of course, let's not forget the classic problem, phishing and social engineering. Bad actors are always looking to trick users into revealing their sensitive information through these phishing attacks. And then there's the murky waters of regulatory compliance. As Web3 evolves, so does the regulatory landscape. Projects must keep a keen eye on shifting regulations or risk legal complications. Now, in the ever-open world of Web3, we can't ignore the prevalence of token scams and rug pulls. As DeFi projects continue to emerge, some may turn out to be fraudulent or prone to rug pulls, where developers will drain the liquidity. Lastly, the openness of the blockchain brings with it data privacy concerns. Blockchain's transparency can sometimes jeopardize sensitive data. Protecting your privacy requires additional measures. So, while the future of Web3 is bright and full of potential, we must keep our eyes wide open to navigate these security challenges successfully. Join us as we continuously explore the solutions and safeguards that are helping secure the exciting world of Web3. All right, so where does this lead for the future? We believe that the future of Web3 finance is bright. It has the potential to disrupt the financial services sector. With mainstream adoption on the horizon, the possibilities are absolutely endless. Web3 is not just about the transfer value, though. It's about the redefinition of finance as we know it. It's about making financial services available to everyone, everywhere. DeFi is reimagining how we borrow, lend, trade, and earn. It's the democratization of finance, giving power back to the individual. NFTs are revolutionizing the way we think about digital ownership. From art to collectibles, they're opening new doors to new creative and financial opportunities. Smart contracts are automating agreements and transactions, streamlining processes, and reducing the need for intermediaries. Now, as we navigate the potential risks, we're seeing a surge in security innovation. From advanced cryptographic methods to robust identity solutions, Web3 is maturing. In the ever-evolving landscape of regulations, Web3 is adapting and collaborating with regulators. Now, this is essential for mainstream acceptance. And as blockchains become more interconnected, the potential for cross-chain operation is expanding. Now, this could pave the way for even more innovation. But let's not forget the heart of Web3, guys, the community. It's the builders, the innovators, the visionaries, and most importantly, you, the users, who drive this revolution. So, what does the future hold for Web3 finance? In one word, transformation. The transformation of finance into something more accessible, inclusive, and efficient. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of Web3 finance on this channel, as well as our morning podcast, Web3 Breakfast, which is every Monday through Friday. Join the conversation and be a part of this exciting journey towards a more open and decentralized financial future. Well, that's it. We've covered the pillars of Web3 finance. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments down below. How do you envision Web3 shaping the future of finance? Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. And if you enjoyed the video and you want to stay up to date on the future explorations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.